Bienvenue dans le nouvel âge d'or du cuivre. Cette série de vidéos met en lumière les larges quantités de cuivre utilisées dans les technologies énergétiques génératrices des taux de croissance les plus élevés de notre époque. Il apparaît de plus en plus évident que notre monde abandonnera les combustibles fossiles au cours du 21e siècle au profit des sources d'énergie renouvelables et propres, dont plusieurs utilisent environ 4 fois plus de cuivre. Maintenant que l'énergie solaire rivalise sur le plan des prix avec d'autres modèles de production d'énergie électrique dans plusieurs régions, la croissance de l'investissement dans les installations solaires à l'échelle commerciale est remarquable. En Amérique du Nord, plus de 3000 mégawatts de centrales solaires sont ajoutées chaque année.
The leader in distributed solar has certainly been Germany. In the North American context, California is the leader in terms of probably broad-scale adoption. Within Canada, Ontario has been the leader, and when we launched our FIT program, it was the most comprehensive program in North America. We've got targets for renewables, so non-hydro, wind, solar, bioenergy. We're looking at 10,700 megawatts in service by 2021. Through the feed-in tariff program since 2009, we've contracted, I think, about 4,600 megawatts of renewable energy. That's a significant amount in a pretty short time.
In 2013, it rose to 30% of installed capacity, and in the first 2 quarters of 2014, the United States had installed more solar electricity, new generation-wise, than any other technology. This year has been another landmark year for solar. Another 45 gigawatts of solar installed globally, 33% growth over the installed base, the total installed base. And of course, the recent reports from the International Energy Agency, which forecast that the sun is going to be the most significant source of electricity on the planet by 2050.
So copper has played and will continue to play a significant role. You're taking a broad array of solar panels, and you have to collect that energy up. So think of it as sort of a bunch of smaller electrical cords that run around a very large site. Those are all copper lines collecting that energy. As you collect it up, then those lines have to get bigger until you ultimately step it up onto the grid.
Copper is now used in small wires that interconnect photovoltaic modules, earthing grids and electrode earth pegs, horizontal plates, naked cables, DC cables that interconnect photovoltaic modules to inverters, AC cables that connect inverters to metering systems and high protection cabinets, high voltage AC cables, communication cables, inverters, power electronics, ribbons, and transformer windings.
We did a survey of all of the international efforts that we could find where people were taking a hard quantitative look at what it would take to get to a low carbon future. Electricity's share of our energy use tends to go up in these futures. They all agreed you got to get the fossil fuels out of the electricity system. Most of them, by the way, turned to hydro, wind, and solar.
So one of the advantages of solar is that it's produced when the sun shines. The sun usually aligns with our peak energy demands. So if we think about the summer and the peak demand we have primarily for air conditioning loads, that lines up very nicely with when solar is producing energy.
Selon l'agence Bloomberg, 74% de la nouvelle production d'énergie à grande échelle qui sera ajoutée au cours des 15 prochaines années proviendra de l'énergie solaire photovoltaïque et de l'énergie solaire concentrée, ce qui implique bien sûr une grande quantité de cuivre. On prévoit que les investissements atteindront 630 milliards de dollars par année chaque année. En Allemagne, à l'Institut Fraunhofer, les chercheurs tentent de réduire les coûts de l'énergie solaire en remplaçant l'argent et le plomb des cellules solaires par un revêtement de cuivre et de nickel. Une autre façon de rendre le cuivre essentiel à l'énergie solaire. L'électricité solaire à grande échelle, un autre exemple de réussite du nouvel âge d'or du cuivre.